With Dooka, it's not about replacing what's already there. Dooka works with what's already there to make it better. It works with ERP systems and it works with e-procurement systems like Ariba and Coupa. I'm often told by business owners, but our purchasing is already digital, so we don't need this. It reminds me of how things were back in the 1990s when email started and people would say, I don't need email because I've got a fax machine. It may be digital, but it's not the same thing. There are always better, smarter, more efficient ways to do things. With Dooka, we're making it as easy to order something at work as it would be to order it from an online marketplace at home, whilst retaining all of those controls that the business needs. If you need a laptop and a phone, you browse, select, checkout. Dooka provides the content, the things to buy, and Dooka does all of the form filling and the communications in the background. It updates the ERP system, and it instantly sends the purchase order to the supplier. All of this saves time and money and makes for a better experience for end users and for suppliers.